So let people cuss you out, mate, because you ain't in the wrong. What?
These are strong.
Oh.
To be a cutie. Yeah, I've got a mouth. I've got a mouth, don't worry. But sometimes, you see some of these women's mouths, them just so big and they overpower everything. I'm thinking, yo, should I just wait or what? Let them run it. And then wait till them finish and then take my time. But then, even when I try to take my time, them still... and I can't find an edge way, you get me? Yeah, so loads of people message me and were like, go start your own life because none of them people there are letting you talk. And they're just putting things in your mouth. Because they want the mix-up and they love the mix-up, innit, obviously.
Yeah.
I don't want what it was for. I didn't want the mix-up and ready for all this. I'm not gonna lie. It's what it is now, innit?
Now, do you know what I mean? It's even done with now, she knows.
Another day, another dollar.
It had to come out at some point, do you know what I mean?
I know. It's lasted a while though, isn't it?
I know, what, 2 weeks?
Has it been 2 weeks?
Maybe longer.
That's mad, isn't it?
It was a festival, not gonna lie.
It was festive. Yeah, it was. It was hilarious, wasn't it? Holly was sat here and Holly was loving it more than me. Bristol. No my nose. What you? She is now, Holly. You were loving it more than me, weren't you?
Holly, did you love all the drama earlier? Oh, my tattoo's so itchy. All the drama on live earlier, that's what she's talking about, I think. Someone put, what's up, my baby mother. I can't hear you, Crystal.
I said, he can't be talking to me because it's not his baby I'm carrying, brother. Not your baby, Omar. He's the daddy.
Who is the daddy?
One man mistake with a dead cocky mistake. Every day, every night, and I do it good, and I do it right. Do you know him? Is he talking to you? Have you got one of his kids, or?
Yeah, because I got black babies, mate.
Your babies couldn't get any white hair either.
No, she doesn't know.
How they're
She doesn't know. She's got to wait. She's late on her period. She doesn't know. Now, man, it's like I can see this live getting heated.
Who is this?
Who?
Is there? He declined it. I'm just trying to add him. KK, remember my baby you're bringing. Yo, brother, I don't think I can remember. You have to show me your hood so I can see if I remember.
Come on, accept it.
You won't.
Accept it, or have you got a wife?
He looks American.
She's smoking on the
apparently coke. As Dewey says.
It's too
early, wasn't it? But the doctor did tell me to wait 2 weeks before I did it. When I went to the doctor the other day and they swabbed me and everything, you know, and they did a wee sample and that, and gave me the stuff in my mouth, she said to me, do you reckon, is there any chance you could be pregnant? It was so embarrassing. I was like, well, no, I don't know. And she said, did you use contraception? And I said, no. She said, are you on contraception? I said, no. She said, have you slept with this one person before? I said, no, it was a one-night stand. She was like, oh. I said, please don't judge me. I just come out of a long breakup where I tried to chat some shit. So and then, yeah, Monday, she's going to ring me back on Monday and speak to me on Monday, but she told me to wait 2 weeks before I did that. If I don't come on my period, then it is quite a possibility.
She don't want to talk about
and she said she's gonna do more swabs in 2 weeks' time too, because sometimes it can take up to a certain amount of weeks for anything to show. I didn't feel like, I knew something was wrong, right, but my mouth was sore.
So if them find out they're pregnant, then you can't work in it.
I don't know, I'm trying to come on.
We're talking about the situation. You've got a cracking thingy tomorrow night, so they can wait till 8 PM tomorrow night if they want to watch the court.
Listen, the thing people, I'm quick. If I feel someone's trying to style me, I'm quick on that, you know, and that's when my head gets hot. So if you're gonna come up here and try to style me, then I'm just gonna get hot-headed and block and delete you straight up. You can have your say, I hear that. But if you're gonna try to take me for some dickhead to show that I'm a white girl, it's not gonna work like that, you get me?
Oh, mate.
So if them find out say you're pregnant, you can't get to travel.
Yeah, that wasn't it.
What? What was?
It's 7-3 voices.
I think you're my